all the white people to the back immediately. Hey Krazies, welcome back to another video on my channel. So today's video is gonna be kind of like a tutorial, not really, because this style I did for the first time and it was kind of hard, not gonna lie. You're not gonna see like a ton of bloopers, but you're gonna see me mess up a little bit. But if you want to see how I got to this braid style, keep on watching and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let's get right on into it. So I have, got to be. Then I have this even edge tamer, the spiking glue, a hard bristle brush, and then this one has softer bristles, a bunch of clips and duck clips too, Y2 comb, and a few like soft scrunchies. And then the particular hair that I got is the Janet Collection Essentials pre-stretched in the color 1B. I feel like I should have gotten a 2, but it's too late, so we'll see. Should have gotten a 2, but it's too late. I already blow dried my hair because I feel like it would just work better that way. So I am going to see if I even want a middle part. I don't think I do, but I don't want a middle part. I think I want like a swoop, but I don't know if I want it on this side or this side. I think I'm gonna do this side. We get a rat tail. And that's what we're gonna do. Like a deep swoop and then a braid. Yes. That looks fine to me for now. We're gonna start laying that part down. And the reason like I don't want to use gel, because I have my wet line in the bathroom. The reason I don't want to use gel is because gel is like extremely water based, and that's probably gonna make my hair revert, and that's kind of pointless. So the way I parted it like that all the way around. I don't know if you guys can see that. Okay, so all the way around. And then I'm gonna take my clips and clip that away. And we're gonna focus on laying these parts. Let me move this mirror closer because I'm blind. And I'm gonna start with this. The glue. I got like that much to start. This is my first time using this. This smells good. I feel like I could do like all of this and then save the last few sections in the front for, that's what I'm gonna do. I don't want it to be lumpy, so I'm gonna go through with this brush. I have my like a Denman here, but the Denman doesn't always get through all my strands. I don't feel like undoing the ponytail, so I'm just gonna clip this back here like that, and it stays. Because I'm gonna have to undo it to swoop everything down again anyway. So that's fine. Okay. Then we got the last one. Okay, I'm gonna fix this. Okay, so now I just took out the scrunchie that I had holding everything down, and I dropped it. It's okay, we got another one. And I'm gonna smooth everything down one more time. This side is fine because it's not that much hair. But this side, I'm gonna use the okay, so after slicking this down, I put in a ponytail, which was super easy, and then I took out the little thing that I'm gonna use for the curly whirlies on the side. So this method, she's kind of flaky. I don't know if it's because it said to do it with, I mean, I could just take away any like of the little flakes with water, which is fine, but I don't know if it's because it said to do it on damp hair. But like, I low-key wanted my hair like as straight as possible, but clearly if you have natural hair, that's not gonna be a thing. So I'm going to fix my baby hairs, wrap it, and then actually, do I want them? I'm gonna make these curly. Good news, y'all, I just looked in the mirror in the bathroom and it doesn't look trash, and I also don't look bald-headed. Okay, pro tip, make sure you take out the baby hairs that you want to be baby hairs before you slick everything back, that's fine. Real natural, real subtle, real light work for the girls, okay? And this side, perfect. This side, I don't know what that is. We're gonna fix that immediately. All the white people to the back, immediately. Oh my God, join the scammer. That was a time. Join the scammer was definitely a cultural reset. Okay, so I took 2 out of the 3 and put them together, but I feel like that's a little thick, so I'm gonna take out a little bit. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. Because this is 2 together, like, this will be the braid. Do you guys think? Let me see. Let's try it. If it's too thick, I'll take it out. Okay, so you're gonna take your scrunchie and put it under like that. Then you're gonna take one side and bring it under the other. And then boom, like that. That was probably a horrible explanation, but that's all I got for y'all. So, we put that on the top. I'm gonna wrap it around twice. And then, whew. And then that. You can see my hair right there. But that's fine. Y'all can see. I'm gonna take okay, so what I'm gonna do, because my hair doesn't like blend all the way, I'm gonna put this up and then I'm gonna braid my hair into like a really tight braid. Let me turn around so y'all can see. So I have my hair braided into a tiny braid. So now I can actually, oh, got it on the mic. So I can actually tuck my hair into this hair. And I'm gonna use this middle part to tuck my hair and braid. I'm about to stand up so I could see and braid. Okay, so the braid is in, and then what I did was take an extra piece from the thingy, the other pack that I had, and then wrapped it around. Like that. I'm crying. Okay, so let me take this off. Ow. And that's fine. So this part and everything is fine. I just have to fix this and the frizz here. So I'm just gonna take some Gatsby freeze spray on my hands. And then I'm gonna wrap that part of my hair down. Then I'm gonna do my makeup, fix the little curly things on the side, and I'll be back. Okay, so be right back. I'm gonna fix my face and, you know, the whole shebang, and BRB. Okay, y'all, so this is the final look. Let me turn around a little bit so y'all can see that. Yeah, I think. Okay, yeah. So this is the final look. Yeah, it was pretty difficult, but you know, it came out really cute. Like, this is about to last me at least this whole week, this whole work week. Hopefully it lasts through the gym and I don't have to reapply that much like gel or like got to be spray. But yeah, we're gonna see if it holds up throughout the week. I'll keep y'all updated on my Instagram. And yeah, so follow me on Instagram at It's Kayla. It'll be down here or, you know, in the description bar below. And I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye.